Food is much more than just fuel. It's the building blocks of our bodies, the source of our energy, and a key player in our overall health. Eating well can have a profound impact on how we feel, both physically and mentally. It's not about deprivation or strict rules, but about making choices that nourish and satisfy us. Think of food as a way to invest in your well-being. Just like you wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a high-performance car, you shouldn't fill your body with processed foods and sugary drinks. Instead, focus on real whole foods that provide the nutrients your body craves. The journey to a healthier you starts with understanding the power of food. By making conscious choices about what we eat, we can unlock our body's full potential and live our lives to the fullest. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and mind. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health. It's not about eliminating food groups or obsessing over calories, but about enjoying a variety of foods in moderation. Think of your plate as a colorful canvas, with each food group playing a vital role. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables, nature's powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These vibrant foods support a healthy immune system, protect against chronic diseases, and boost energy levels. The other half of your plate should be a mix of lean protein and whole grains. Protein provides the building blocks for strong muscles and tissues, while whole grains offer fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Remember, balance is key. Processed foods may seem convenient, but they're often loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can wreak havoc on your health. Choosing whole foods over processed options is one of the simplest yet most impactful changes you can make. Whole foods are those that are minimally processed and as close to their natural state as possible. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, nuts, and seeds. These nutrient-rich foods provide your body with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. Start by making small swaps. Choose brown rice over white rice, reach for an apple instead of a cookie, or snack on a handful of almonds instead of chips. By incorporating more whole foods into your daily meals, you'll naturally crowd out the processed stuff and fuel your body with the good stuff. Section 4. Hydration, your body's best friend. Water is essential for life. It makes up about 60% of our body weight and plays a crucial role in countless bodily functions, from regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients and flushing out waste products. Staying hydrated is vital for maintaining optimal health and well-being. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day, and more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. You can also add flavor and variety to your hydration routine by infusing your water with fruits, vegetables, or herbs. Remember, thirst is your body's way of telling you it needs fluids. So listen to your body and stay hydrated. Section 5. Small changes, big impact. Improving your diet doesn't require drastic overnight changes. In fact, making small, sustainable changes over time is often more effective and easier to stick with than trying to overhaul your entire eating habits all at once. Start by setting realistic goals, such as adding 1 more serving of vegetables to your plate each day, or swapping sugary drinks for water. Celebrate your successes along the way, and don't be afraid to experiment with new foods and recipes. Remember, every small change you make is a step towards a healthier you. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of nourishing your body from the inside out. Section 6. Your journey to a healthier you. Your relationship with food is a lifelong journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, challenges and victories. The important thing is to approach it with a positive mindset and a commitment to making choices that support your overall well-being. Remember, you are in control of your health. By making conscious choices about what you eat, you can unlock your body's full potential and live a healthier, more vibrant life. So go ahead, embrace the power of food, and embark on your journey to a healthier you today.